Hey guys, it's Tim here, and recently Samsung unveiled many of their new Galaxy smartphones. They look pretty cool, but there's one in particular that we've heard about for a while, but it's finally been given a name. That is the Samsung Galaxy Fold. And though we've recently talked a lot about gaming on this channel, I wanted to take some time to talk to you guys about the Samsung Galaxy Fold because I think that this phone is the beginning of a trend that could possibly change the smartphone industry, the tablet industry, and the way that we even play mobile games on our mobile devices, 10 years from now. And for those of you guys who don't know, the Samsung Galaxy Fold is a smartphone that can be folded in half, almost like a wallet. And yeah, you might be saying, what's the difference between that and a flip phone? But with this phone, the actual screen itself folds completely in half without breaking. And we've known for a while that this OLED screen technology is something that has the capability of being folded in half without breaking, but this is the first time a company as big as Samsung has brought a product that offers this ability to the mass market and is going to be putting it on store shelves. The front of the phone features a fairly small 4.6-inch display, but whenever you crack the phone open, that's where the real story begins, with the 7.3-inch OLED display. For context, this 7.3-inch screen is just shy of a 7.9-inch iPad mini screen. And this is on a device that you can easily just slide straight into your pocket. And according to Samsung, whenever you open the phone, the app that you were running on the smaller screen will seamlessly transition to the big screen, and you can even run 3 apps at once whenever it's in big screen mode, which is probably why the phone features a ridiculous 12 gigabytes of RAM. As if 2 screens weren't enough, this phone features 6 cameras. You got that right, 6. The back of the phone includes a regular lens, a telephoto lens, and 1 wide-angle lens for a total of 3 on the back. Whenever the phone is opened up with the large display, a notch in the top right corner features 2 different types of selfie cameras, and whenever the phone is closed, the front of the phone itself with the smaller screen features a selfie camera as well. That's 6 cameras. Some other notable features is that the phone includes 2 batteries to power all of those screens and cameras. The phone also includes the wireless power sharing feature that a lot of Android phones have had nowadays, where if you set another friend's phone on top of your phone, it can transfer power wirelessly to another phone that has Qi wireless charging included. And from what I've heard from the people who have gone to demos and seen the phone up close, say that the speakers sound pretty nice. So with all of the specs and facts out of the way, here's my actual opinion on the device. This phone will release this upcoming April, but will retail for $1,980 US here in the US, which is pretty stinking insane. So with the specs and facts out of the way now, here's my personal opinion on the device. I personally think that a device like this is the beginning, at least, of a game-changing technology potentially in the mobile computing space. The latest iPhones and Android flagships over the last few years have featured some pretty crazy processing power on paper that, these phones have the power to rival smaller laptops on the market, which is pretty insane. But running applications like Photoshop on these phones just hasn't been as viable as, a laptop that has a larger screen, because applications like that really need a larger display. Using a smaller screen for many programs and applications is just not ideal, which causes a lot of people to have an extra tablet or something in addition to their smartphone. Like me, I use an iPad Pro to edit these videos actually. But this phone, since it has the ability to turn into a tablet and run more than 1 application at once, we're at least seeing a sneak peek into the future where our mobile phones could actually be a viable personal computing device. Also, I think just simply from a sheer engineering and design perspective, what Samsung's been able to achieve with this phone is just pretty stunning. But I'm not gonna lie though, with all of the extra parts like the extra screens, extra batteries, mini cameras, I just see a lot of things that could potentially break or just go out that the user then, whenever it's out of warranty, would be stuck having to get fixed. And it's you know, whenever you have more parts like that, the chances of something going wrong just go up. And with any new type of technology, I'm a little skeptical about how smooth, I guess, the software is going to be out of the gate. Expect a lot of bugs. And as I said previously, I think a phone like this has big potential for gaming. Just think about it. Imagine playing a game like Pokemon Go and you're walking around with your phone, you're looking at the front smaller screen as your just walking display, but whenever you encounter a Pokemon, you just whip open the phone and it has a larger screen with more displays and more menus and more controls to choose from. It could really enhance the gaming experience. And that sounds awesome, but until technology like this gets down into the $1,000 or less department, you can probably count me out. So what do you guys think about the Samsung Galaxy Fold? Do some of you guys just have $100 bills falling out of your pocket and you're gonna pick it up? Or are there others of you out there like me that would love for this technology to become cheaper later? Let me know down in the comments below. I reply to almost every single person. And if you'd like to donate to the channel and unlock some bonuses like a bonus live stream, subscribe to my Patreon right here. Also, come along on the journey with us for more entertainment, tech, and review videos right here by subscribing to the YouTube channel. For more tech videos from the past, you can check it out right here. Thank you guys so much as always. You're awesome. Have a great one.